Okay, on number 22. It says Maya designed two intersecting roads. She drew the roads so that one of the angles at the intersection was 45 degrees. What are the three other angle measures formed by the intersection? And you can see I kind of already started on that one just a little bit. And I drew the intersecting roads right there. And whenever you have an intersection like that, these two angles are going to equal 180 degrees, and these two angles will equal 180 degrees. And actually the opposite angles are going to be congruent angles. They're going to be the same whenever you have two intersecting lines like that. So I already showed you that this angle right here is 45 degrees. That means the opposite angle will be 45 degrees also. And all we need to do is figure out what these other two angles are going to be right here. And we do that by subtracting 45 from 180. And I already started that. I cannot take 5 away from 0, so I have to regroup. That's going to become a 7, and this will be a 10. And 5 from 10 is 5. 4 from 7 is 3. And 0 from 1 is 1. So this angle right here is going to be 135 degrees. And the opposite angle is going to be 135 degrees also. Okay, question number 24. Okay, Mariah made 5 3-point shots in her first game and 3 in her second game. She also made 4 2-point shots in each game and no 1-point free throws in either game. How many total points did she score in the 2 games? So it's pretty simple. Going box center question. We're trying to figure out how many total points she scored in the 2 games. And so if she scored 5 3-point shots, 5 times 3 is 15 points. Scored 15 points right there. Okay, and 3 in her second game. So 3 times 3 is 9 points. That's 9 points. She also made 4 2-point shots in each game. So 4 2-point shots in the first game would be 8 points. And 4 2-point shots in the second game would be 8 points also. So basically all we have to do is go ahead and add up 15, 9, 8, and 8. 8 and 8 is 16. Go ahead. It's going to be those two. Then I have 9 and 15 right there. I have an addition problem. So 9 and 5 is 14, another 6 would be 20. And 2, 1, and 1 is 4. So that means 40 points in the 2 games. 40 points. Okay, the last problem right there. Actually, I skipped one right there. Number 23, what is the measure of the angle shown? You need to do that one on your own. And number 25, Roberto walks from school to the corner store. Then he cuts diagonally across the square park to go home. Which is the measure of the angle formed by his path and the edge of the park? And A would be 30 degrees, B is 45 degrees, C is 60 degrees, and D is 90 degrees.